Hello, kids. Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to learn something fun and easy, the present continuous tense. Do you know what that means? It tells us about things that are happening right now. For example, I am teaching you. You are watching me. The birds are singing outside. See? These actions are happening at this moment. Now, let's learn how to use it. How to make present continuous sentences. Making a sentence in present continuous is super easy. Just follow this formula. At the beginning take subject. Plus. Am. Or. Is. Or. Are. Plus. Verb. Plus. ing. Take helping verb am, is, are. According to your subject. Let's look at it with examples. 1. I am eating an apple. 2. She is reading a book. 3. They are playing football. Simple, right? When do we use present continuous? We use present continuous when something is happening right now. For example, the sun is shining. The baby is crying. We are learning English. Now, it's your turn. Look around and tell me what someone is doing. And answer the following question to yourself. What is your mom doing? What is your pet doing? What are your friends doing? Good job, everyone. Now, let's complete these sentences together. 1. I drink milk. Answer. I am drinking milk. 2. She write in her notebook. Answer. She is writing in her notebook. 3. They play in the park. Answer. They are playing in the park. You got it. We use am, is, or are with verb plus ing to make present continuous sentences. Summary. What did we learn today? Let's quickly remember what we learned today. Present continuous tense tells us about actions happening right now. We use am, or is, or are, plus verb plus ing. Examples. I am talking. He is playing. They are singing. Keep practicing, and you will become an English expert. If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye.